Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Brandon, your safety trainer, with today's lesson on first aid kits. Where and what. Before we continue, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. First aid is emergency care given before regular medical aid can be obtained. If and when an accident occurs, a first aid program that meets OSHA standards and is tailored to the type and size of the workplace can make a difference between life and death. This lesson will cover workplace requirements for the first aid kit and what a basic first aid kit needs to contain in order to help you be better prepared. The following are a few things the workplace should have, not only to be compliant, but to decrease the risk of further damage from an injury. At least one person with first aid or medical training readily available in case of an emergency should be in the workplace. First aid equipment and supplies. An up-to-date first aid manual. Posted phone numbers for the police department, fire department, ambulance or EMS, and the nearest hospital and poison control. Also, know where the first aid kit is located. First aid kits should be easily accessible. Have emergency phone numbers posted for quick response. Know where all the fire extinguishers are located. Know where the nearest exits are located for easy access out of the building. And know where the AED, or Automated External Defibrillator, is and know how to use it. Not required by OSHA to have, but it's highly recommended. First aid kits will vary depending on the type of workplace, but there are basic products for all first aid kits. Make sure your first aid kit has at least one absorbent compress, 32 square inches or 81.3 square centimeters. At least 16 adhesive bandages, 1 inch by 3 inches or 2.5 by 7.5 centimeters.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.